During his visit to Sulu on Monday, October 21, Senate Majority Leader Francis Tol Tolentino shared his plan to introduce innovations to the proposed Mandatory Reserve Officers Training Corps Bill.
Ang plano ko po, yung ROTC program will be 1 year. Yung second year would be the advance. The third year would be the executive specialization course. Halimbawa po, nakatapos ka ng advanced, third year college ka na, gusto mo mag-specialize ng cybersecurity, pasok ka doon. Halimbawa po, gusto mo mag-specialize ng maritime security, pasok ka doon.
Speaking before officials and troops from the 11th Infantry Division at Camp Teodulfo Bautista in Jolo, Tolentino said the innovations he plans to propose seek to make the ROTC program more dynamic and appealing to the youth.
Hindi po yung tuloy-tuloy na kagaya dati, first year, second year, basic military training, second year, yung advance. Para na sa ganun po, hindi natin mapawi yung enthusiasm ng kabataang Pilipino na sumali sa ROTC program. At tingnan po natin sa transition, 3 to 4 years, kung ano po ang magiging reaksyon, hindi lamang po ng mga kadete, ng mga eskwelahan, kung hindi, pati na rin yung mga magulang.
Tolentino, a Brigadier General Reservist in the Philippine Army, pointed out that the number of the country's reserve force is only around 107,000 and thus needs to be continuously reinforced by encouraging recruits from the ranks of the youth. Tolentino says President Bongbong Marcos himself wants the passage of the ROTC bill sped up.
Nakakuha na po ako ng go signal kay Presidente BBM na isulong sa pagbubukas ng Kongreso ngayong November 4 yung mandatory ROTC bill. At pag yan po ay naisakatuparan, if that will be accomplished, our reservists right now, numbering 107,000 in strength, would greatly be increased threefold or fourfold. Dadami po yung hanay ng ating mga laan-kawal kasi napakarami pong interesado.
Earlier that day, Tolentino also went to the provincial capital and paid a courtesy visit to Sulu Governor Abdusakur Tan.